Hi everybody, welcome back to Short Stories from Pixar Cars. Miss Fritter was in Cars 3 and she quickly became a fan favorite for everybody at the giant, the smashed up derby. Lightning was definitely scared of her when he was Chester Whipplefilter, and Cruz Ramirez was helping him trying to learn how to race again. This is Miss Fritter, oversized because we have 3 or 4 of her. Now what this does, it's an old school bus, refashioned, and it makes sound effect. Listen. That's 1.
Yes!
That's 2. That's 3. That's 4. That's 5.
Ow!
That's 6.
Yes!
7. 8. 9. 10. Now I could go back again.
Woohoo!
That's the last one, I think. Yeah, so it sounds like Miss Fritter, the school bus, has 11 sound effects, and this is a short video, so tune in for the next video. Maybe I'll make a video featuring Miss Fritter in some of the smash up derbies. What do you think? Leave a comment and let me know what you want me to do.